Today's recipe is authentic Korean bean sprout kimchi. Here's a list of all the ingredients needed for this recipe. Please pause the video for your convenience. As with all of our recipes, getting the freshest ingredients is always key to having wonderful success. Let's bring a pot of boiling water up to temperature and throw our bean sprouts in there. We're going to leave them in there for 1 minute. Once we've hit a minute, we're going to flash cool these down so they'll stop cooking. Pour them through a strainer for ease. Make sure to get all of those wonderful goodies out of your pot. Pot's not hungry. We are. We're going to take some cold water. We're going to cool these bean sprouts down. While we're doing that, why don't you take a moment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us a lot. And by the way, if you like this video, don't be afraid. Hit that like button. Now, we've got these bad boys cooled down and rinsed off. They're nice and crisp and crunchy. Let's get our sauce ready. First, we're going to take 2 garlic cloves that we've chopped up finely. We've got some green onion. I used 3. You can use 2. A pinch of salt, just a little bit. Then we're going to take our sesame oil and we're going to put about 1.5 tablespoons into this. Now we've got our fish sauce. We're going to use about 1.5 teaspoons. That's it. You don't want too much. It'll be too strong. Now we've got these sesame seeds. Let's get them in the mix. Just about 1 teaspoon or so. Play around with this recipe. Find out what you like. Now we're going to stir all of this goodness together. This recipe is so easy and so flavorful. You're not going to believe it. Now we're going to take those cooled bean sprouts out. Pop them into our bowl. And just like in Korea, we're going to use the best utensil we have for mixing. What's that? Let's see if you can guess. Not the spoon. No, our hands. Get in there with your nicely washed hands and mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Get all of that sauce on every bean sprout. You're going to want that because it makes the flavor perfect. Take a look. And this is what it looks like on the table right there. Oh, so delicious. You're going to love this for your next party. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. We'll make sure to send you updates as soon as they're available.